When people hear the phrase local help, they often think about a single organization, a temporary program, or a quick solution to a financial problem. But the truth is much bigger than that. Local help can be the bridge that connects individuals and families to life-changing resources when they need them most. Imagine a family caregiver trying to balance a full-time job while caring for an aging parent, a foster parent struggling with rising household costs, or a senior citizen trying to stretch a fixed income through another month of increasing expenses. In many cases, the support they need is available closer than they realize. Across communities throughout the United States, local help programs work alongside federal assistance initiatives to provide food support, housing resources, utility assistance, caregiver services, transportation programs, healthcare guidance, and emergency financial relief. The challenge is not always the lack of assistance. Often, it is simply knowing where to look and understanding how to access available resources. Many people miss out on benefits because they assume they're not qualified. They become overwhelmed by paperwork, or they do not know which office or agency to contact. That is why understanding local help is so important. Local agencies, nonprofit organizations, community action groups, senior centers, family service organizations, and public assistance offices frequently act as gateways to broad support systems. They can help residents navigate applications, gather required documents, understand eligibility requirements, and connect with programs that fit their specific situations. For foster families, this may mean access to additional support services and educational resources. For caregivers, it can mean respite care, support groups, and financial guidance. For seniors, it can include meal delivery services, transportation assistance, and help accessing benefit programs. The key lesson is that local help is not merely a backup option. It is often the first and most important step toward building financial stability and improving quality of life during difficult times. What makes local help especially powerful is the personal connection it creates between community resources and the people who need them. Unlike large systems that can sometimes feel distant or complicated, local programs often understand the unique challenges facing residents in their area. Consider someone who suddenly loses income due to a job disruption, a caregiver facing unexpected medical expenses, or an elderly individual trying to remain independent while managing daily costs. In situations like these, timing matters, and local help can often provide guidance that prevents a temporary hardship from becoming a long-term crisis. Many local organizations also serve as trusted partners that explain how federal assistance programs work, helping applicants avoid mistakes and complete applications correctly the first time. This guidance can save valuable time and reduce frustration. Another major advantage is that local help frequently connects multiple services together. A person seeking utility assistance might also learn about food benefits, transportation programs, healthcare support, caregiver resources, housing counseling, education, or opportunity. These connections can create a stronger financial foundation and open doors that people never knew existed. The most successful approach is to be proactive. Keep important documents organized, ask questions, follow up regularly, and never assume that one denial means all options are exhausted. Assistance programs change, eligibility rules evolve, and new resources become available. By staying informed and reaching out for local help when challenges arise, individuals and families can discover practical solutions that make a meaningful difference. Whether you're a foster parent, a family caregiver, a senior citizen, or someone simply looking for reliable support during a difficult period, local help can provide guidance, resources, and opportunities that lead to greater financial security and peace of mind. The most important thing to remember is that asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a smart step toward accessing the resources designed to support your well-being, strengthen your household, and help you move forward with confidence.